Ano sisi, mapa. Pasiming sisi. Siguro may tinapa. Ano? Tinapa naman may. Lang.
Pinsay na siya. Itong na akong pinsay.
Kain ng tinapawi.
Hindi ako kasi. Siyempre lang, baka sarip.
Mayo. Taos na.
Pinsay mo ang pinapa. Ah. Bilog na.
Bilo ano? Bilog na ano? Saan na bilog, he? Saan na awi?
Bilog na naman. Yung bilog na. Maraming isa na. Yung bilog na na. May takot daw.
Mayo baga na. Mayo na ay ini. Ay mayo baga. Ay baka inunas na subangge. Mayo baga.
Mayo na, inonas na. Inonas na.
Mayo. Hala. Pira to. Paktay. Sana may sagaro. Yun na ni. Mayo na yan.
Inonas na.
Digdi mo niya. Mandigdi ko. Mandigdi ko na ini. Good morning, Mayo na talaga. Nunas na. Hey.
Kung linaw ka hindi garo, siyo. Na, inonas na.
Hindi mo kaya sa ano.
Inonas na. Inonas.
Good morning, guys. Thank you. Papasok na po ako sa trabaho.
Inonas.
Kakain muna tayo. Almusal po. Let's eat breakfast, guys. Rice. Kain po tayo, guys. Papasok tayo ng trabaho at kailangan natin kumain ng kaunti. Good morning, good morning. And thank you po sa nag-like dyan. May kape, kape. Yan, kape.
Hello, good morning. Good morning po. Thank you po sa naandyan ngayon. At syempre pa, mayroong itong ulam kagabi guys. So, tinola. Niluto namin tinola. Ito yung ating ulam today. Pasok po ako ngayon. Bukas ay mayroon tayong may off na ako bukas guys. So, bukas, thank you so much yan, 3 milyon na tayo. Maraming salamat po, good morning, good morning. Ayan, almusal po tayo, kain po tayo ng almusal. Good morning Philippines, ayan, Gorelias. Pang-Gorelias, hi, hello, good morning po. Ayan, kain po tayo, let's eat. Guys, it's breakfast here in the Philippines. Oh, thank you. Ayan, thank you so much na nag-like yan. Oh, mayroon tayong dalawa. Ilan ba to? Alright, so mayroon tayong 2 likes. Okay. So, I'm having, breakfast here. Because I have work today, guys. So, before going to work, we have to eat something. Sometimes, I'm just, drinking coffee at work. Pero ngayon, kuhaan muna tayo. Kasi may sabaw, guys. Ang sabaw. So, ngayon, pasok tayo. Kailangan natin magtrabaho. Kailangan natin kumayod. Marami tayong bayarin. Mindset ba? Mindset. Trabaho. Tubig lang tayo. Wala kang kape na ubusan. Ay, meron palang kapeng barako. Yung bigay sa bigay sa kasalan guys, merong kapeng barako dito. Ayan o. So, pag may kapeng barako, syempre, galing yan ng Batangas. Ayan, kapeng barako sila guys. Yung kinasal, nung inatinda namin ng kasal ng pinsan ko, asawa niya taga Laguna, pero may kapeng barako guys. Seven minutes. Attendance lang tayo kay Lolo. Thank you guys. Maraming salamat po. So ito nga. Papasok tayo ngayon tapos gusto ko magpalinis ng ngipin guys. Nagpa-schedule ako ng dental. Sana. Hindi, wala pang reply yung secretary ni Doc. Yung sa dental natin, matagal-tagal na rin ako hindi nagpalinis. So, sayang din ng HMO natin, gamitin natin para sa dental cleaning. So, magpapadental tayo. Sana lang ay may ma-schedule tayo ngayong day off. Bukas off ko guys, saka sa Sunday. So, pag merong schedule, magpa-dental tayo. Kasi sayang ang ating card sa HMO. Papalinis ako ng ngipin. Sana lang ay may makapagpalinis tayo guys ng ipin. So good morning summertime na dito sa Pilipinas. Marami na ngayon swimming sa beach. Higba ako dyan ipapaara itong malinaw tong sako. Kaping utot pa lang si Kaping Barako oh.
Ayaw na si Tilapana.
Nabara siya. Kaya mo sabihan.
Big deal.
Mayo mo dyan. Kapal na sa banggi ni Kulto niya nga ma. Ay bukas ni. Dahil gusto mo niya ko lang binakalan. Sa banggi pa yata yan na buruay. Ano pa katag. Sabi din ko, ma'am, may mga sibalas digdi. Oh, nahulog din ko. Rapagpuan niya. Pira to siya. Sayang. Kasi, lutuin ko pa naman ko ta. Alaga niya, ito siya. Good morning guys. Welcome to my live. Good morning. Tapos na po ako mag-almusal at maliligo na po tayo para sa ating pagpasok today. So, may pasok tayo. So, tomorrow ay off natin. Siyempre, yan, 10 minutes lang. Mabilis lang yung ating live ngayon. Hindi tayo maaga.
Fiber, gano'n eh.
Yes. Ay, thank you Lord. for the food, for the breakfast, syempre. Yan, maraming salamat. Good morning. So, nakikita niyo naman guys, as you can see guys, I look so messy. So, I haven't yet, taken my bath. So, maliligo po tayo after nito. May nakasalang pa sa CR. How are you guys? How are you doing today? So, wherever you are, I hope you are in good conditions. You're doing good. We're fine. Oh, may ano tayo, may rice. So, ayan, sino dyan na magbe-beach? Enjoy the summer heat. Summer na dito guys, it's summer na sa Pilipinas. Marami ngayon nagsuswimming. Sana all.
Hawak mo ang bits.
Hawak mo ang beach. Hawak mo ang beach. Ayan. At siyempre pa dyan, sa mga bakasyonista dyan, dito kayo pumunta sa Bicol. Marami ditong mapupuntahan. Sabi ko sa inyo, maraming salamat to. Nalagdagan ng ating like.
Mga bakong, marami.
Marami dito sa Bicol. Sabi ko sa inyo, I am convincing you guys to please come over here in my province, in Bicol region. We have a lot of beach. The food, especially, it's really nice here. And you know, we are so popular when it comes to food, spicy foods like laing. We have some menu with coconut milk. We had spicy ice cream here. Oh, right guys. So I would advise guys to those people, especially from other countries or foreigners, if you would like to visit here, if you like to visit here in the Philippines, don't hesitate to come over here in my province in Bicol region, province of Camarines Sur or region 5. Yeah, Bicol region guys. It's one of the most, we have a lot of beaches here. We have a lot of beautiful spots here also, especially our pinagmamalaki. We are so proud to present to you our Mayon volcano. It's a very nice heartbreaking, heartbreaking, heartbreaking. Very nice view guys, especially this summer. A lot of people, a lot of foreigners, they're coming over here to witness the beautiful Mayon volcano. And especially guys, the beaches. We have Karamuan Beach, yung ginanapan ng American Survivor. We have a lot of here. Especially here in my location guys, we have a lot of beaches. A very beautiful, clean, and very, undiscovered beaches or resort here in my province. A lot of people guys don't know about my place, or maybe because we are not popular, but when it comes to beaches or beautiful spots, please take note that our province here in the Bicol regions, we are also known with the beautiful beaches and very nice foods, especially spicy foods. If you like spicy foods, just come over here in my province. Yes. Hello, Big Jan. Thank you so much. Hi, beautiful. Thank you so much. So, it's nice to see you all, guys. Especially Big Jan. Thank you so much. I'm so sorry. I didn't have time to do live streaming for the past few days because I was, a little bit busy. Ayan. I was outside and I attended wedding ceremony yesterday or the day yesterday guys. There's a love you all guys. And of course, you know what, this month summertime, a lot of couples also, or a lot of what do you call this one, couples, they are, they decided to to do their vows or wedding this month of April because it's a vacation time and also the weather is nice. So most people, not only during June or month of June, they are also, a lot of people also here are are having a ceremony or a wedding ceremony here. So as like the day yesterday guys, we attended the wedding of my cousin. So we had like some ceremony.
Baka
Yeah.
lang
Thank you so much guys for having me with me this morning, especially in my busy day, in my busy morning day, because I have, so I'm just looking at my watch because I have to prepare now going to work. Yan. So I hope to see you guys tonight or maybe tonight or tomorrow morning. Yeah. I would prefer guys to start my live stream or to do live streaming in the morning because I usually come home like late in the evening. So I think I better to start my doing live streaming in the morning. Um what do you think guys? Would that be okay if I'm gonna start doing live streaming in the morning like 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock? Or yeah, 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock? Because because of my duty guys, I have I didn't have a permanent time schedule guys. Normally before I started my work at 8 to 5 or 6 to 3 in the afternoon. That's why I was doing live streaming before like 5 o'clock in the afternoon, but now because of some changes of my schedule, so I now started my work at Philippine time 10:30. So normally I reach home by like at 9 o'clock or 8 o'clock in the evening. So it's kind of late with you guys. So I better start my live streaming or doing my live streaming in the morning, right? So doesn't na what do you think guys? Make sense? What if I'm gonna start my live streaming like 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock in the morning? Anyway, we'll see guys. Tomorrow I'm gonna start my live streaming 7 night. So, yeah, 17. I think I have only 5 minutes to go guys before I end this live streaming because I have to prepare now. So look at my hair guys. I have to start now preparing my going to work guys because it's like a messy. So, happy summertime. So, I miss you so much. Thank you, Jan. Yes, so enjoy your day. So, here in the Philippines, guys, it's really summertime. It's really summertime. A lot of people are going to beach, like having, picnic outside. A lot of tourists or foreigners are coming also in the beaches like Boracay. Boracay is a very known or popular when it comes to beach. So obviously this time it's really crowded in Boracay. So if you don't want to get into that kind of place which is really crowded, but anyway, it's up to you guys. It's your decision. If you would like to check or if you'd like to witness the Boracay, experience the Boracay, so you can go there. But don't miss also to come over in my province in Bicol region. It's a really good place also. A lot of beaches, really. And also the food, wow, amazing. We are known within spicy foods, spicy ice creams, yeah. And yeah, well, cause don't miss to put in your list, guys. Camarines or Bicol region, yeah, to experience. Well, mode of transportation from Manila Airport, it's just only you can take by plane or by land. So we don't have sea guys. You don't have to ride in the ferry or by in sea, or only by plane or by land. 45 or 30 minutes by plane, 10 hours by for if you're gonna take by land. So it's up to you. Yeah. So anyway, thank you so much guys. So we have 19 minutes and 59 seconds. So I'm sorry guys, I didn't have time to stay long here because I have work today this morning, so I need to prepare now going to work. I used to look at much. Yes. So anyway, thank you so much guys. So are you guys doing fine today? Have you eaten your dinner, breakfast or lunch? So keep in touch, guys. No worries. If I have time, I'm gonna do live streaming anytime. And I know that it's not really, it's not, you know. Oh, my son is awake now. Good morning. Good morning. Yes po. Good morning again, guys. Thank you so much. So, wow, I have three. Oh, see? So, okay, tomorrow, guys, I have my off tomorrow. So, I'm gonna start my doing live streaming morning and afternoon and also on Sunday. Plus, on Monday, again. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna start my new schedule. So, anyway, guys, thank you so much. And also, please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please click the notification bell also for you to be notified on my next videos on lives and also live streaming. Okay? Thanks so much. I don't have time now, so I am in a hurry. I have to prepare now going to work. So I'm done with my breakfast. This soup like a tinola, the chicken with the ginger, and some of the vegetable like moringa and pechay. And just water. I didn't drink coffee. My because I'll gonna drink my coffee later in my work. Because as you can see, guys, I have here my lunch box. So, well, actually, guys, this is only for my coffee, for my mug. So, every time I'm going to work, good, yeah, guys, every day. So, this is my lunch box. And plus my bag. So, and also I'm putting my charger. So guys, thank you so much. I need to prepare now. See you soon, guys, okay? So don't worry, I'm gonna start my live streaming soon. And thank you so much for your understanding and also for your support. I know that a lot of you also are busy, but still, for those who are coming and staying during my live streaming, thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate your time and this channel. I owe with you guys whatever I have, whatever or whatever I have in my channel, just because of you guys. Thank you so much, guys. All right, bye. See you soon. God bless everyone. Take care. Be good to everyone. Bye bye. Oh, naka 5 likes tayo, nak.